How to create a simple metal material in Unreal Engine 5. First, right-click and select material and change the name. And I open it. The next thing, I will add the color. Hold down 3 and left click and connect to base color. Hold down S and left click to create parameter. And then connect to Metallic node and Roundness node. And next, I will change this name. And I change this name to Roundness. I will change this value. I will set this the color. And next, I will convert this color to the parameters. Apply it. And next, I will create the material instance. So I check this parameter. And I drag this material to the sphere. And so you can change this value. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.